Here we have a clean version of Windows 7 Home Premium because that's what most people have. It has all of the software already installed, like that I would normally install from like a Kingsoft Writer for an Office suite, Firefox for a web browser. I should probably update that. Let's see, CC Cleaner, patch my PC, that kind of stuff. And yep, so all I have on here is just the display driver, and normally I don't even have that on here because I sysprep it anyway, and so it takes all the drivers out of the system, but just enough to get on the internet and or to connect to the Wi-Fi and do the updates. So basically, this just has all the updates and just programs installed. That's it. So now we're going to move this installation over to a gateway desktop computer, and I can show you how that works. So here at the just type in sysprep. That opens up the sysprep directory. I guess if you knew what that was, you can just go straight to it. Open sysprep up here. You want to do generalized because that gets rid of all the drivers and redetects all the hardware on startup. So here we go, and we're going to go ahead and say shutdown. So generalized shutdown. You'll notice as it does this that the display will go 800 by 600 because it gets rid of the driver, gets rid of the product key, all that kind of good stuff. So now it's shutting down, this takes a little bit longer. So it takes about, I don't know, a minute to generalize the image. So here we go. Okay, so let's go downstairs and plug it into the computer downstairs. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and plug this hard drive into this test workstation I have down here. As long as the computer has a product key for Windows 7 on the side, it'll activate just fine. Okay, it's plugged in. Now we're going to go ahead and turn the computer on. And what you'll notice is it'll be much like a first boot of a clean installation. So, there we go, it's booting up. And this is the gateway desktop. I basically just use all solid states. Makes the process go faster. So. Okay, now it's setting up the registry. We're updating it. And then after this, it's starting services. And then installing the device drivers for this particular machine. Much like a first boot. Now, when you go to set up the profile that I used on the installation is already there. I'm sure you can configure that in some configuration file. Basically, you have to create a new profile upon the setup. I just make owner 2 and then just go into the owner and delete it. I like it that way because owner is actually pre-configured. It has all the Firefox plugins and stuff. If I had to create a brand new profile each time, then I'd have to reconfigure the different settings I already have configured inside owner. But this way I can just go into owner and home pages are all set up like Google and stuff, and Firefox has the different add-ons already installed. Normally this process goes faster, but it's on kind of an older machine here on my test workbench. It's my clone station computer. I thought good enough. It's actually a Windows Vista machine, so when it gets to the part where you get it into the product key, we're not going to enter one. But if you had a product key, you would just enter it, and it would activate just fine. Wow. Normally it doesn't take this long to install drivers. Okay, well, we're going to go ahead and pause this, and then once it gets done doing this, it's going to go ahead and reboot and then continue the, oh, there it goes. We're at 62. Maybe it'll finish 63. Oh, there's the display driver. There we go, 68, watch it jump, there we go, 72, now it's jumping. I tried this on my laptop, and this section right here took about, like, 25 seconds. I don't know why this one's being such a pain in the ass. But yeah, this is pretty awesome, actually. Oh, come on. Move a little faster. Okay, well, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. There we go. Next, username. We're just going to go ahead and do owner2. Owner's already taken because it's already on there. Product key for now, we're just going to go ahead and skip it, accept the terms. Next, recommended. Okay, good. Okay, we're going to go into owner because this is the one I already have pre-configured. There we go. And we're going to go down here to user accounts. And we're going to go ahead and change, not that one, manage another one. We're just going to owner2 and we'll just delete that account. There's nothing in that folder. So it's just going to go ahead and delete it. Delete the account, there we go. He's gone. So now what we have here is CC Cleaner. We got the Firefox, he's already pre-configured with the add-ons. It's not connected to the internet right now, so. Internet Explorer 11, it's already up to date. And all the updates are done. Well, I already cleared the cache, but yeah, it's all current as of this month. So, there we go. We're going to go ahead and just shut her down. But yeah, how cool is that? That's neat.